I would like to thank everyone for your presence, for celebrating this special day with us. 3 years ago, each one of us made a firm decision to pursue a graduate degree course in this hospitality management school. We were all from different countries, cultures, and backgrounds, but we had one thing in common: the desire to learn about the hospitality industry.
I remember when I stood where you are today, and I can tell you, you are expecting a great ride ahead of you. So congratulations for choosing an amazing, amazing industry. And an industry that's not always easy, but an industry that's always exciting, a lot of adventure, and a lot of surprises.
I am proud to say that today we have grown and that we are different from the person we were when we first got here. That's why I would like to congratulate all of the students, including myself, for graduating today.
When I have the pleasure of meeting young talents such as yourself, I get asked what my advice is, how I got here where I am today. And I have to tell you, don't wait until you get an opportunity. Go and create the opportunity. Do not act and behave for the job you have. Act and behave for the job you want.
We would like to deeply thank all of the teachers we had during these 3 years for their patience, their help, their positivity and encouragement, and for the passion they transmitted us in each class for the hotel industry. Thank you very much.
If you love hospitality, this is the world's best industry you can be in. Never boring, I promise you that. And I hope one day I will see you again here in the Peninsula Paris. I wish you all the best, excitement, everything. Have a wonderful day, celebrate, be proud, and let's make sure we meet again somewhere in the world in the hospitality industry. Thank you so much.
Finally, we would like to thank our director, Monsieur Dogramassi, Madame Rotter, for the opportunity they gave us, for their support all those years, and without forgetting to thank you for making our graduation possible here in the Peninsula in Paris. Thank you very much.